Wait, Johnny, what about your brunch? Why do you have something for lunch? Well, don't worry, I'll pick up something for lunch later. Oh, okay. Wait, is that Jack's?
Mm-hmm. See right there.
Huh.
Critter headquarters. That's what it says.
Oh. Jack's? Well, I'll check what's inside.
You can take a picture of the front.
Taco Bell! I wanna go to Taco Bell.
So you can take a picture of it right there.
I know, I'm going video still. Whoa, we're at the place. Jack, huh? I guess a good point. Ranch and home. Wait, ranch and home? I don't know why. Hey, hey, you see Mr. Chocolate Guy?
What's that? Chocolate. Chocolate.
No, we're looking for the jalapeno chocolate.
Oh, the Tabasco?
Yes.
I don't think we have it. Yeah, they come in a little can.
Right.
That? Is there?
Yeah.
Let me see. Where's Chapastis?
You want to get something else?
Yeah.
I'll buy you something else too because you did that. You picked up the apples. You can get something else. Want a little horse?
No, is there any else?
Any elves?
Yeah.
Let's look down here.